The Galaxy S24 series will likely be announced less than a month from now, and several features of Samsung's upcoming high-end phones have leaked already. Yesterday, official-looking renders of the Galaxy S24 were leaked in all its basic colors. Now, a new leak reveals all three phones in the lineup in all their colors in even clearer images. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will be launched in 4 color variants each, while each of them may have additional colors that may be available exclusively through Samsung's online store. Let us have a look at those colors. The Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus will be available in 4 color variants: black, purple, white, and yellow. Both phones appear to feature extremely thin and uniform bezels around the screen. On the rear, they seem to have a triple camera setup. According to tipster Arsène Lupin, who posted these images on X, formerly Twitter, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in 4 colors: black, grey, violet, and yellow. All 3 smartphones will reportedly have 12 MP selfie cameras tucked under a very small punch-hole-shaped display cutout. The Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus will likely have an aluminum frame, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to feature a titanium frame for higher tensile strength. All 3 upcoming flagship phones could have Gorilla Glass armor screen protection, stereo speakers, ultrasonic under-display fingerprint reader, IP68 rating, NFC, Samsung Pay, and USB 3.2 Type-C port. S24 is expected to feature a 4000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S24 Plus has a 4900 mAh battery. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery. All 3 phones have 15W wireless charging and 5W reverse wireless charging. The Galaxy S24 has 25W fast wired charging, while the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra have 45W fast wired charging. All 3 phones will run Android 14-based One UI 6.1, featuring several new AI features leaked here.